Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to put notes on story on Instagram. So now let's get started. Instagram has added a new text-based feature called Notes. Instagram Notes are text posts that will disappear after 24 hours. You can put up to 60 characters in one note and you can only post one note at a time. Instagram notes will appear at the top of your direct message inbox here and are only visible to followers who you follow back, or you can restrict a note to close friends only. So to post a note on Instagram, first make sure your Instagram app is up to newest version. Then open Instagram and go to your direct message inbox on the upper right corner. Then you should see the new note section at the top. Just press the plus sign on the left of the note section. Then type what you'd like your note to say. And then just press share. So as you can see, I already have the note on my account. You can also delete or leave a new note. So just like your stories, your note will be disappear automatically after 24 hours. And that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!